So I have right here with me former Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda. Sir, the exit polls are suggesting at this point that the seat share that Congress would be getting is of 55 to 62. What do you have to say to that?
This is what I am telling you, exit poll are telling now. But in the morning you asked me the question, I told you that Congress is going to form government with comfortable majority and it will form the government.
So the whole day that you roamed around today, went to these poll booths, what did you feel? How do you look back at today? The final day.
The response which we are getting from everywhere I got the report, there's wave in favor of Congress.
And how are you, like looking forward to this now? Like the seat share at this point and the, chief ministerial phase?
Sheet sharing? Sheet sharing, there's only one
Tanushka,
alliance
yeah.
partner.
Tanushka, just tell Mr. Huda
Maybe,
that it's Ankit and me in the studio, and we have certain questions for him as well.
60 plus something.
For 10 years.
1, 2 minus, that's all. But comfortable majority.
For 10 years, it was
Right,
the
yes,
BJP
Maria.
government
Please continue.
in the
I'm not
state,
done yet.
And now it
I'm
is
not
the
done yet.
Congress which is coming to power as per these exit polls. Is he hopeful for a bigger number? Because the range that is being suggested by the pollsters is from 46 to even 60.
Are you hopeful for a bigger number? Because it's been 10 years since the Congress has not, been in power here and BJP has been in 2 consecutive terms. Are you hopeful for a bigger number?
Yes. Because BJP has proved to be non-performing government and most corrupt government. This government, BJP and JJP government. And the law and order situation is worse. Even our sports person, Pahalwan, wrestlers, they have been not been spared.
Right.
So this is the question.
Huda Saab, there is a list going on in social media. A lot of your Congress supporters are talking about they have already formed the cabinet and your day of swearing. So is Mr. Huda ready for his day of swearing, or is there still suspense even if the Congress party wins, sir?
Are you ready for, the swearing in? A lot of, social media chat has been going on about the cabinet that will be formed. So are you ready for the swearing in? What can one look forward to for the swearing in?
On 8th, result would be coming, MLAs would be elected, their opinion will be taken, then High Command will decide who will head the government. Then this is hypothetical questions you are asking me.
Okay. Tanushka, there is a question that is coming in from Neerja ma'am.
Okay.
Neerja ma'am से बोलिए एक सवाल पूछना चाह रही हैं
Yes,
Huda
yes, one last question.
Mr. Huda, it seems pretty well clear now that the Congress is going to form the government. Kumari Shelja has also thrown her hat in the ring for chief ministership. What is your response to that?
So, sir, Kumari Shelja has also, thrown her hat into the ring for the chief ministerial phase. What is your response to that?
This is democracy. Everybody has got right to win. And everybody should aspire. Otherwise, you can also aspire. Who says no to you? But MLAs would decide, High Command would decide. Okay.